What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some recent news for Disney stock. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. Disney is a stock that we haven't really talked about that often here on my channel, only briefly mentioning it in one of my prior videos. But despite not being a topic that I talk about very often here on my channel, Disney is a long-term investment that I absolutely love, and is a huge percentage of my overall portfolio. It's no secret that early on in 2020, Disney suffered significantly, selling off as they had to close their theme parks, cruise lines, and other aspects of their business because of the pandemic. But this sell-off was short-lived as Disney transitioned to growing its streaming platform, Disney+. And now as we continue to emerge from the pandemic, I believe that Disney has well positioned itself to see ongoing growth throughout the remainder of 2021 and moving on to 2022. But despite the huge opportunities ahead for Disney, the stock has been selling off significantly since they recently reported their earnings. In the earnings report that Disney recently announced on May 13th, the company overall announced some stellar results, continuing to show strong recovery from the pandemic, announcing an earnings per share of 50 cents, up from 26 cents year over year. But as of the end of the first quarter, Disney has still not recovered to pre-pandemic levels, reporting a net revenue for the quarter of $15.6 billion, down approximately 13% year over year, with the majority of this revenue coming from the media and entertainment distribution aspect of Disney's business model, while parks, experiences, and products continue to show a decrease in revenue year over year. But despite the decrease in revenue for the quarter, Disney did report an increase in net income to $912 million, up 95% year over year. And while Disney overall continues to see excellent growth in its streaming platforms, with Disney Plus subscribers growing to 103 million subscribers, overall for the quarter, the average monthly revenue per paid subscriber for Disney Plus decreased by approximately 29%, with management citing this decrease in revenue secondary to the launch of Disney Plus Hotstar. And analysts overall disappointed in the growth of Disney Plus, expecting Disney Plus to grow to 109 million subscribers, but falling short at 103 million. So with all of this being said, what are my thoughts about Disney as a long-term investment? As a long-term investment, I love Disney, and I plan to continue to hold my shares. I haven't started to pick up any additional shares of Disney recently because I already have a pretty low cost basis since I was buying shares at the peak of the pandemic. But here in the short term, if we continue to see weakness in the share price with the selling ongoing, then I'll definitely consider picking up some additional shares. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. An investment in Disney, like an investment in any company, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in Disney, make sure you're doing your own research and only buying shares of Disney stock if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Disney? Are you invested in Disney? Are you thinking about buying shares of Disney stock? What do you think about the opportunities ahead for Disney moving forward? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.